Hey all, this little lesson is going to be on place value. Some of you may be familiar with it, some of you maybe not so much. Either way, that's totally okay. When we're talking about place value, what we're talking about is the fact that every single digit in this number has a place value that we can specifically refer to. So looking at this number again, that number is 496,357,128. When we start talking about place value, typically we want to start over on the right side of the number, so over where the 8 is specifically. That 8 has a place value, what we call the ones place. Next to the ones place, we have what we call the tens place. After that, we have the hundreds place. So those kind of make sense just if you think about when those numbers start to appear, right? If you think about the number 10, 10 is a two-digit number, so it is in the second place. 100 is a three-digit number, so that's where the third place value is going to come into place. The same goes for this next number, which is the thousands place, right? That 7 is in the thousands place, which again tends to make sense because we think of 1,000 as a four-digit number, so it is in the fourth place value starting from the right side of this. What we're going to see after this is a bit of a pattern that relates these digits that are upcoming to previously named place values. So the next one, this 5, is in the 10,000s place. After that, we have 3, which is in the 100,000s place. So again, we're reusing those other place value names. We're using the 10 again, we're using the 100 again. Shouldn't be a big surprise for when we go over there to the millions place. And again, 1 million is a 7-digit number, so we're going to start seeing that pattern kind of continue as we go through the number. And then next to that millions, again, we're going to see that 10 millions, so that 10 is getting reused again. And then next to that, 100 millions. So next to any starting place value, whether that be ones or thousands or millions, always to the left of that is going to be these tens that pop up over and over and over. And then same kind of idea, we're going to see hundreds to the left of any tens. We're just going to include the place value for that grouping as you kind of see in purple here. So those purple names, specifically these ones I'm highlighting in orange here, these are kind of the names that are going to define how the rest of that group goes, just with 10 or 100 attached to them. So this is a great example of defining place values. What I want to do now real quick is I just want to explore what type of question you might be seeing when it comes to place value. So what we might see is something is what place value is the 8 in for this number? And so if I wrote a new number here and I wanted to explore, well, what will the place value be? So maybe I have the number that looks something like this, 8, 9, 6, 4, 2, 1. So if I want to explore what place value the 8 is in for this number, I'm going to say, okay, well, 8 is right here. What is the name of that place value? So if I kind of refer to those place values I just named, I know that this 1 is in the ones place, this 2 is in the tens place, this 4 is in the hundreds place, 6 is in the thousands, 9 is in the 10,000s, which must mean that this 8 is in the 100,000s place. So again, knowing those names and being familiar with them, that is really our ultimate goal here. I hope to see you in the next video.